Our machine excels in welding not only round pipes but also square pipes and various other pipe types. The weld seams are clean and aesthetically pleasing, eliminating the need for grinding and secondary processing. With multiple welding modes, it can achieve welding at any angle, making it ideal for complex seams and irregularly shaped large workpieces. This versatility ensures precise and efficient welding across a broad range of applications. It also excels in welding metal sheets and tube together. This capability allows for versatile applications, seamlessly joining different types of materials and shapes in a single process.